Today, I'll show you how to check PayPal limits. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign in using your email address or mobile number and password. Make sure you are using the official PayPal app or website before entering any login details. Once you are signed in, look at your home screen for any alerts, notifications, or account messages. If PayPal has placed a limit or restriction on your account, you may see a message at the top of your dashboard or under the bell icon. Tap or click that message to see more details. You can also check limits from the Resolution Center. Open the menu and look for Resolution Center or search for it inside PayPal Help. If your account is limited, PayPal says you may not be able to do certain things, such as send or withdraw money, and the Resolution Center will show the steps needed to remove the limitation. Now check your sending limit. Tap Send or Send and Request. Enter a test recipient and amount, but do not confirm the payment. PayPal may show your available sending limit before the final confirmation step. According to PayPal, unverified accounts may have sending limits, while verified accounts can usually send more. PayPal says verified accounts may send up to $60,000 in a single transaction, though this may be limited to $10,000 depending on currency and account factors. Next, check your withdrawal or transfer limits. Go to your PayPal balance and choose Transfer Money. Select Transfer to your bank. Enter an amount and review the transfer screen. PayPal will usually show if the amount is above your available limit before you confirm. Do not complete the transfer unless you are ready to withdraw the money. If you want higher limits, make sure your account is verified. Go to Wallet, then link and confirm a bank account or card. Also, complete any identity checks PayPal asks for. If your account has a limitation, open the Resolution Center and complete each required step. This may include confirming your identity, verifying your address, explaining account activity, or uploading documents. So, to keep it simple, check PayPal limits by looking at account alerts, opening the Resolution Center, reviewing limits during send or transfer steps, and verifying your account if PayPal asks for more information. And that's how you check PayPal limits. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.